In this video, I will be going through the Sulava Use Case Builder and what it is and how to use it. When you open the portal first time, there is multiple options what you can do, and one of the things is the Learning Studio, which I have multiple other videos already done. So let's focus on the Use Case Builder. This is a place where you can create your personalized agent by describing the need and describing the purpose of the agent. And there is quite many steps on this one, so I'm going to be walking through all of them together with you. This can create you the agent for Copilot Studio or for Azure Foundry agents also. First, let's start the place where I'm going to be choosing this one. It's going to be in Sulava's own environment. And when I'm choosing that one, I get the builder page in front of me. And on this page, there is a place where you go and see the agent ask. You can see that there is nothing defined yet, so that's why the problem is not there. Personas are not named, MVP has not been defined, and all these things means that you still need something to do before you can start to build the agent. And you can see there is a multiple places which we're going to be going through. So let's start by describing the agent need. So in here, as good as you can, describe the use case. What do you want to do? What kind of things the agent's supposed to be doing and how it's connected to different places. When you have described that one properly, you can send it to the use case builder, and the use case builder will be then gonna be going through the use case and looking all the details what you have set it here. For example, the goal, why do you build it? It's gonna be analyzing all the text and all the documentation, and when it has been finalizing it, it will be using the use case builder to fill out the information. As you can see already, it started to fill out quite a lot of data in the builder. Now it has been finalized the building. Now you have to go through the step by step all the boxes and fill in the information what it was not able to fill and what is wrong in there, so you can still modify all of the places based on your real need. So that's important to go through really carefully, because the better you describe, the better the agent will be for you. There's quite many steps, but all of them are important because this is going to be creating you the business case also, and also all the files that you're going to be needing for the agent to be published to your solution, what you choose to do in the later phases. Now I have gone through most of them. I noticed that there are still some things missing, so I go and fill the rest of the fields also. And when the filling is done, we can go up on the screen, and you can see here everything is green, and you can publish the brief. It's going to be going through the agent and starting to make more detailed plans for you. It creates you the scorecards, it creates you return of investment plans, and it creates you multiple different things. And this is one important part, because the next screen what you're going to be seeing is going to be then the place where you can have all of the reports available for this solution. This may take some time because there was quite many things that it has to be going through, but when it is done, you can see that it's creating also the implementation blueprint and everything, so you're going to be having a really good handbook.
This memo recommends
a Copilot Studio declarative agent to handle routine IT support questions for Sulava and MEA internal. The agent grounds answers and approves SharePoint content, replies in English or Arabic, and drafts a user-confirmed escalation email.
As you can see, it also describes it by voice to you, what you have been creating, and it goes through things together with you. You can listen it later also again. And here you can see that there is some things that you could be maybe better. You could be giving a better KPIs, how to measure who's owning it. You haven't named it who's owning the solution. And here you can see that you can download a lot of reports for these purposes. But in this first place, we're going to be seeing that here is a customer kit for Copilot Studio and Foundry. So if I choose that one and say that generate the customer kit, it's going to be asking me if I would like to create what kind of a customer kit. For the Copilot Studio, a file that can be downloaded and put it in the system. Do I want to have some test materials, or do I want to already connect to the live materials? And here you can see which environment it's going to be asking me to publish, and I add some demo content. Now it is creating all the files that you're going to be needing to publish this solution to Copilot Studio. When it is done, it's going to be giving you here download importable solution zip, which I'm going to be showing how it's going to be done. I do the same for Azure Foundry, so you can also create the Azure Foundry downloadable kit, but in this demo I show you in the Copilot Studio how you can then upload it. So when you open the Copilot Studio, here is the agents part, and when you choose the agents, you can see here the agent what you already have created before. You can create an empty agent now, or in my case I press the import agent, and in here you go to the next screen, and you can see that you need to create also import solution or open app. And in this case we're going to be importing the solution which we just created, and here choosing the device. So on this device, because I downloaded the file to myself, browse and find the location of the file, and then you just import the agent and the solution to your device. And then in the Copilot Studio you can go back to the agents, and in the agents we can see that the IT support agent has been created.